Have you ever had a hard time keeping a conversation going, especially with someone you would really love to talk to, maybe that pretty girl in the office or that business superstar you want to learn from? When you're in front of them, you run out of things to say, your brain just freezes, and you end up with long, awkward, silent pauses. So today I will share with you one powerful strategy that you can use to carry on a conversation with just about anyone from the book How to Start Conversations and Make Friends by Don Gabor. Learning this strategy will allow you to get people to like you instantly, and not only that, it will allow you to build quick rapport with anyone and build long-lasting friendships over time. And it will give you the social confidence you need to walk into any social situation and have people wanting to spend more time with you. So here it is. In order to carry on a conversation and never let it go stale, all you need to do is identify their heart buttons and reveal your heart buttons. Now you might be wondering, what are heart buttons? Heart buttons are very high interest topics, something you are excited about, passionate about, or completely occupied by, or something they are excited about, passionate about, or deeply interested in. The sooner you can identify and reveal the heart buttons, the faster and deeper a connection you can build. So why do heart buttons work? Well, by knowing people's heart buttons, you will know what turns them on, what keeps them up at night, what they are thinking about all the time, what they're most interested in, what they're spending all their time, effort, and energy thinking about, and really what they want to talk the most about right now. So what does knowing all of this do for you? You can direct the conversation to what is most important to them. And that is the secret to everlasting conversation, getting people to talk. People love talking about themselves more than anything else. Not only that, if you have commonalities with them, you will be able to develop friendships with them. So how do you identify their heart buttons? Well, you have to ask open-ended questions. Something as simple as, what's for fun these days? Or are you working on anything on the weekends that you're excited about? And let them answer. For example, if they say, I've been enjoying rock climbing, you can say, nice, where did you go climbing last? And dig deeper into it. What got you into rock climbing? Or rock climbing must be such a rush. And get them to tell stories, get them to share stories. Not only that, there's another part to the heart button equation. In order to keep the conversation alive, you also have to reveal your heart buttons, things you are passionate about, things you are excited about. Now, how do you do that? Well, you relate to their heart buttons, saying something simple as rock climbing sounds like a total adrenaline rush. And then you share your heart buttons by relating to them by saying something like, well, I guess I get my rush from sailing in the open waters. Now, how do you do that? Well, you share your sailing story and how you almost tipped the boat over the last time you went sailing. You share stories from your life about the things you're passionate about the things you're excited about. And before you know it, you will both be exchanging fun stories about your heart buttons. Now, just make sure, keep it a two-way communication. Start by getting them to talk about their heart buttons, relate to their heart buttons, share your heart buttons, and before you know it, you will be in a deep conversation. However, if you struggle with social anxiety and you are unable to even start a conversation with people, watch this video where I will share with you a powerful hack to overcome social anxiety. And if you want to get people to like you, watch this video where I will give you 6 very powerful psychological hacks to get people to like you. And make sure to subscribe to our channel for more knowledge from the world's greatest business and self-help books, just like the one that you watched right now.